17 and 18, madam.
May I please, Your Honor?
17 I think level like administration. Deputation or administration. Report of the done edition people on the appropriate respondent. Submitted them is that the matters ought to have been listed in the motion of quorum and wrongly it has been listed in the very. Let both the matters, one both the not passing the second be listed. Tuesday is 31st, 31 in motion, registry will be did.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a regular bail, Lordship. On first
Make a
of
mention before court number 8.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14. CD was called for. Perhaps CD is not received.
It's 14. What is the position?
My lord. Case diary not received.
Not received. CD not received. Issue reminder.
Petitioner,
Interim.
the petitioner on interim.
Interim be continued till next set of listing is according. 30. 34 April. 34. No? Okay.
My appeal, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship, 16. CD not received.
Not received. Are you on interim?
No, Lordship.
Oh, CS submitted.
CS.
Do you have this CS number?
Yes.
You are not on interim.
Lordship, engaged counsel Mr. R.S. Chaudhary out of station. Adjourn for the Lordship. Next, any date of next week.
Anyway, at the request made by land counsel for the petitioner, I'm afraid I join. List accordingly on 1st of April.
Published.
Your Ladyship, I am on behalf of Mr. Fukan. Your Ladyship, yesterday Mr. Fukan had mentioned a matter. Mira's,
It has not come.
it has not come, but we have filed yesterday, and we have the case diary as well. It has been registered. I'm
Diary.
sorry,
You are on IIT matter or what matter?
Mira Sakya matter. I am on behalf of the petitioner.
I'm on IIT. Is IIT matter? There
Yes.
Question of case diary is not there. It's not a criminal matter. It's a civil one.
Yes, I agree. There was a rectification in the order which needed to be done.
Yesterday, Mr. Fukan told us that he had already filed one I for
Yes,
petition
it
and
has been registered.
clarification, but it has not come yesterday.
We had a small request, Your Ladyship.
No, whatever, it had not come yesterday.
Yes.
It is coming today.
It has been filed. I wanted to
So
mention
then what
it.
to do?
We wanted
Unless
to,
and until it comes before us, then how the order will be passed? Simple order, simple date.
then we'll
most probably
request request the registrar.
You can.
Yes, yes,
You can. Go it. Yesterday only I told her, if it comes, then we'll
yes.
pass the order. Because
Yes.
it's simple clarification is there, but modification is there. Just will be approach the registry. If it comes, then we'll pass the order.
Thank you, Your Ladyship.
Regular.
Yes.
Bail application, Lordship. FIL is page 7. It registered under section 64 of BNF alias 376. There are totally
Your petitioner is in custody since when?
Lordship, since 13/3/2026, 15 days. It is a totally false case, Lordship. Informant is a 38 years woman, Lordship. She has a 3 children also. Petitioner is a 23 years young boy, Lordship.
He may be 23-year-old boy. We are not disputing it.
Lordship.
But I don't know. The allegation is very. Also
Lordship, come to page 16.
16.
One, Lordship.
Yes.
She sent one letter through WhatsApp, Lordship.
16.
16. Petitioner, another name is Raj, Lordship.
Acha.
16, Lordship.
His name is Jun Sekya. Raj Sekya.
Raj, another name, Lordship.
Acha.
This one is sent by the woman through WhatsApp.
He lives.
Delay the
Why nowadays, she can call while she wrote the letter.
Lordship.
Why she wrote the letter? Nowadays, no one
Well,
writes
there-
letter, na?
Maybe law affairs.
No, love affairs is other way. Why I mean,
Yeah.
nowadays, no one writes letter. Is it?
So many, so many Lordship. Page 18, page 19, cutting her hand by blade. Then if petitioner avoid her, then she will commit suicide.
Try to
Detaining
commit
messages,
suicide.
Lordship. FI also lost Lordship after 8 months, Lord.
Yes, what to say?
Yes, my lord, it seems. Yes, incident, she has specifically mentioned the date of the incident on 28/5/2025 and 6 p.m.
And later is of later.
Later
When he wrote the
Later
when she
that-
wrote the letter,
Later that Lordship, WhatsApp messages.
WhatsApp
Mobile-
message, my lord.
WhatsApp messages are prior filing FIR or before? After.
Date is not here, my lord.
That is not. Yeah.
Check, it is not. Okay. Mr. Al Gogoi, the learned counsel for the petition. Also had Mr. P. Potter, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of the This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Also, it is submitted by Mr. Gogoi that the present accused petitioner is innocent. Rather, it is the informant who proposed for properly gave a love proposal to him, and in that context, she wrote many letters, verbs of messages, and even tried to commit suicide when he avoided her. In that context, in support of his submission, he annexed some WhatsApp messages and one photographs of the informant. He further submitted that the accused is in custody since last 15 days and hence further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for purpose of investigation. Mr. Bott, submitted it that there is a clear allegation of rape and the date and time is also mentioned in the FIR. He insisted to call for the case. Considering this submission made by the counsel for both sides and the annexures filed along with the petitions, and also considering the period of detention already undergone by the accused petition, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be required for the interest of the investigation. In view of this, readable. It is a case of which place? Gauhati.
Gopur. SDCM
CGM.
M within the time law.
No, nowadays Gauhati is there. CGM is also there.
SDCM not available Gopur. SDCM is Biswanath.
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 SDGM Gauhati is there.
SDCM Gopur.
SDGM
Go.
Gauhati. Okay.
Problem. Please, your lordship. Lordship, FIR is on page 9, lordship.
Page 9.
Lordship,
Item number 2, my lord, in item number 16 is same, my lord, CD 12, item number 12, CD is available. So this matter will
Okay,
kindly
then
taken up along with.
Come.
also the fact, lordship.
No, we'll come along with 12.
Lordship,
It will be
another order, lordship, is there. Lordship, 10 other co-accused have already been granted bail.
No,
Next.
we'll hear the matter
no,
along with 12,
Please.
item number 12. We have received the CD.
Lordship,
Who is I?
Bail matter,
Yes,
FIR is on page 18, your lordship.
page 18.
Not, sorry, your lordship, on page 12. 11 and 12, the translated court portion, your lordship.
Hmm.
With due respect and humble submission, Srimati so-and-so, age 64 years, wife of so-and-so is my mother. For many years, my mother has been suffering from mental illness. Occasionally, she used to come alone from her own house at Srirampur to my house. Even people in this area know her as mad woman. It is very sad that yesterday, on so-and-so date at about 8 in morning, my mother left her own house at Srirampur without informing anyone at home and did not return the whole day. At around 7 p.m. at night, I saw on Facebook video on mobile that many people in Sapkata area unlawfully confined my mother and calling her a witch. They were beating her with kicks and blows. They also attacked her with sharp weapons, causing serious bodily injuries as well as injuries on other parts of the body. They also tore her clothes. While the miscreants were beating my mother, even though my mother clearly told them that her house is in Srirampur and people present there were saying that she's a bad woman, still miscreants continued to beat her. So, Lordship, in this case, this old lady, she has some mental issues, Alzheimer's or some sort of the thing, and she went to a place and people thought that she's one of those persons who are like child pickers and so of the sort. Now, when the suspicion arose, some local people intervened and they tried to take the law in their hands. The present petitioners before your lordships are the ones who tried to intervene and stop this. The police thereafter called these petitioners to come and tell them what had happened. When they went to the police to tell them that this was the incident and we were making the recording in order to help the police in their investigation, they themselves were arrested, Your Lordship. Whereas you can see in the FIR, no one has been named. The video is also vague, and the entire crowd has been blamed on doing such injuries. And further, no injury report has been submitted along with it. And only one of the sections is non-bailable, or two of the sections, 118(2) and 74, Your Lordship. Already there are 20 days in detention.
Your lordship may kindly come to page 12 of the FIR, paragraph second paragraph, my lord. All the crowds were not blamed, my lord, only some of the specific persons, my lord. While the miscreants were beating my mother, even though my mother clearly told them that her house is at Srirampur, and some people present there were saying that my mother is a mad woman, in bracket Pagoli, still some miscreants continued to beat her. Later, the Sapkota police, my lord, so amongst the crowd, some of the people even trying to, my lord, intimate the accused persons that she is a madman, she is mad. Thereafter, also they assaulted. So whether the present as per the submission of the petitioner, they are the rescuer, all they are involved in assaulting, because Facebook video is also there. Only CD will reveal me.
Okay, let us call for the CDO, but CD, because
Yes.
a woman of 64, 65 years of age
Yes, yes.
was beaten so mercilessly. I don't know what is the injury she sustained,
But
Yes,
but obviously 118 is also there.
vague allegations, Your Lordship, that was my humble submission. That
Now CD, there are many persons in that locality or that area when she was there. So
Definitely.
out of them, these 5 were maybe, as we have submitted, they may come to rescue her. But at present, we are not in a position to say anything. Let us see the case diary. Yes, Botakur, when it can be called for.
my lord, on 7th of April, 6 or 6.
6th? Okay,
Sixth.
6th. 6th.
Obliged.
Welcome. CD call.
May it please your lordship, lordship, 482 application, lordship. Your lordship, petitions are not named in the FIR. May I take your lordship to the contents of the FIR? Typed copy is at page 8, lordship. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
I, the informant, humbly state that I am the wife of a home guard member, and our financial condition is not good. My husband is currently ill. With great difficulty, I managed to educate my daughter, thinking that my daughter would get a job. A person who falsely introduced himself as the close driver of the wife of the current Panchayat Minister, Honorable Ranjit Kumar Das, promised to provide a job in a hospital. On 2023, I first handed over 5 lakh in cash to him near SDO civil office, which I collected by selling my land and jewelry. Shortly after that, on 13/1/2024, I again handed over another 5 lakh rupees in cash to him at the same location near SDO civil office. As that amount was still not enough, I sent an additional 1,50,000 to his Google Pay number via online mode. Out of the total amount, I paid the final installments in August, especially 1 lakh on 1/4/2025 and 50,000 on 6/4/2025. Currently, when the informant asks for the money back, he keeps stalling by saying that he will give it today or tomorrow, as he has not provided the job either. This has now created severe mental distress for everyone in our household. So this particular action, Lordship, a person has specifically been named who has done all this, Lordship, has taken. Although, Lordship, this exchange, availing the job in exchange of money, that is not sustainable in the eye of law. But assuming not admitting that part, Lordship, I'm not implicated in the affair. We are not implicated in the affair. One Panjol Hajurika, he's been specifically named. He has done all this. So everything has been detailed. And pursuant to the filing of this affair, Lordship, he has taken to custody. I have also submitted at page 12 his forwarding letter. Lordship would be pleased to find that his forwarding has been sent to, after the receipt of this affair, he has been arrested and sent to judicial custody, Lordship. Now, Lordship, here the petitioner's Lordship are the distant relative. Binu Hajurika is a distant relative of the accused, who has taken into custody, Lordship, pursuant to the filing, and who has done all the, who has collected as per the affair, who has collected. Now, Lordship, may kindly peruse page 15. Page 15 and page 16 are the notices. Are the notices under 35(3) BNSS, whereby in connection to this case, the petitioners were asked to appear in the police station, Lordship. Now, Lordship, they are willing to appear before the Lordship, the investigating agency, and whatever they know, they can cooperate with the Lordship. But only, Lordship, they apprehend, Lordship, in the event, since the sections involved are non-bailable, so they may be protected till, since notice has been issued, Lordship. Since that is my humble prayer. No way connected, the person who is connected, the detailed story being given, how he has collected money, this, that, whatever. Even it is illegal, because no one can avail a job in return of money. That is not sustainable in the eye of law. Even this affair also will not stand in the long run. That, but on the ground of prima facie case, Lordship, the involvement of petitioners is nowhere there, Lordship.
Your Lordship,
So they will cooperate, Lordship. They will
Lordship,
cooperate.
kindly come to page 18. That is, my lord, forwarding report of the accused person, Pranjal Hazarika, my lord. Page 18, my lord. Page 18, that is reasons of arrest from 6, my lord, to uncover a potential larger racket, my lord. It is necessary.
Lordship, Lordship, may I read that?
It
May
is-
I read that, Lordship?
Okay, I will read. Well, you have
It is
already-
necessary to determine if the accused has cheated other innocent people using the same job for money scheme, Lordship. Specifically
Here,
mentioned.
which one? Here, eventually? 6.
Yes, 6.
That is what I'm reading also, Lordship.
You have
It
already
is-
submitted. Let me point out. It is necessary to determine if the accused has cheated other innocent people using the same job for money scheme. Custodial questioning is the only way to find out if they are or larger. So, my lord, larger organized fraud network operating in the day. So, maybe, my lord, they why they, my lord, 35(3) notice already issued to them, my lord. So, only CD will reveal how they are, my lord, otherwise connected, my lord, if they are anyway involved in the, my lord, racket, my lord, maybe a racket, my lord, job for.
That is a presumption, Lordship. At this stage, prima facie, nowhere the person who is involved, who has done this according to the affair, according to the complainant, he has taken.
Is so the learned counsel for the petition. And also had Mr. Keyboard for the learned petition people every state. It's an application under section so and so. It is submitted by MS Som that the present accused petitions are innocent and they are no way connected in the LS. The FIR has been lost, alleging with the allegation against only one Pranjal Majorika, who has already been arrested in connection with this case. However, the present petitioner number 2 being a distant relative of the arrested accused, these two accused petitioners had served it notices under section 35(3) BNSS. Both the petitioners are still ready and willing to appear before the IO and extended cooperation in the investigation of this case if some interim protection is provided. Mr. Nithra, Mr. Gauhati, would you learn it? We submitted in this regard that this from the modus operandi of the alleged crime, it can be seen that it may be an organized crime, and from the ground of arrest and from the forwarding report of the other co-accused person, also it is revealed that there may be the other people also may be cheated by the same job for money scheme, wherein the many other people may be associated. Accordingly, Mr. Portacle submitted that CD will be necessary to know the actual fact of this. Hearing this submission will well and accountable votes considering aspects of the case. This court is of opinion that one opportunity may be given to the present two petitioners to appear before the IO and cooperate in the investigation of this case in provided interim protection. Okay, you will be under interim protection.
I'm deeply obliged, Lordship. Deeply
On,
obliged.
my lord, 5th of May, my lord. 5th of-
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, my lord, two kids fight in the school, my lord. The informant's kid is reading in class 6 and my kid is reading in class 4, my lord. My lord, Lordship, they will find the FIR at page 12A, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the principal asked both the parents of these kids, my lord, to come up before the principal to meet the principal, my lord. Accordingly, we went there. My lord, in the principal room, my lord, when they were discussing the issues regarding the fighting of these two kids, my lord, the informant kid is 2 years elder than my kids, my lord. He started again beating my lord, my kid. Then the petitioner went to disengage them so that they should not do that, and also told the informant that I will lodge a case against your son. Then the principal asked me, my lord, you don't file any case, that the school reputation is in question. Therefore, we did not file any case, my lord. But the informant coming out from this school, my lord, lost this instant FIR, alleging some false stories, that we have beaten up them, my lord, with some iron liver and like this, my lord. But the only non-valuable section in this case is 1182, my lord, which is not at all happened, my lord. Fighting between the kids is there, my lord. It is admitted, my lord. Therefore, the principal asked both the parents of the both parties, my lord.
Prima facie, otherwise remark is, my lord,
The remark
specifically
is very
mentioned.
well.
Yes, yeah.
My lord, Lordship will find Para 4, my lord. I have stated the thing, my lord. We have not made any remarks, my lord. They have tried to make it a communal issue, my lord. The informant side, my lord. May I read the paragraph 4, my lord? My lord, may I read
Yes,
the
what
paragraph 4?
authority?
Some
It is
protection
your
and
case,
compulsory-
your case only. Yes, what approval?
My lord,
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, from the comments, my lord, which is my lord,
Yes, comments is very bad.
not a my lord, a very bad comment, my lord. Otherwise, let me record his statement.
lost.
Otherwise, regarding my lord, injury on the head, my lord, regarding
sir.
that part also, my lord, one of the yes, serious injuries on the head of my son, my lord. So injury report is also, my lord,
Required.
other necessary.
If my lord,
Otherwise, CD may be called for along with injury report.
I am allowed to record my statement, my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Chanda, also for petition. Also heard Mr. B. Water, petition. This is an application in section 20 in connection with Swens. It is submitted by Mr. Chanda with an accused petition. Is innocent and has not committed any such offense as alleged here. However, it is a fact that there was a quarrel between the son of the informant and present petition in the school, wherein both the informant and the accused petitioner were called by the police school authority, and there was a scuffle between the two kids. Thereafter, he and as per the instructions of the school authority, he did not lodge any case against the informant. However, after returning from the school, the informant had lodged a fire with some false and concocted allegations. He submitted that apart from a quarrel between the two kids, no such incident had happened as alleged here. However, he is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in further investigation of this case if he is provided with some protection. Next, Mr. Botapur, an additional PP submitted that as per the case is also registered under section 1182 BNS, and hence the CD along with the medical report will be required to know the actual facts. Next, hearing this submission made by the constable process, considering all other aspects of the case, this court is of opinion that one, that the interim protection may be provided to the present petition till receipt of the case. Okay, you'll be under interim protection.
Lordship, lordship. Deeply available.
Called 55, what?
Oh, yes, my lord, on 4th of May, my
4th of May.
Lordship. Deeply available.
With pleasure, Lordship. In this case, I have a small pair, my lord, 482, my lord. Lordship, kindly peruse the FIR. Translated copy, my lord.
FIR page?
Page 8, my lord, Annexure 1.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, my lord, charge-sheeted case, my lord. But in from the charge sheet, your lordship can find that since the case has been registered as 376, lordship, but she refused to examine the medical, my lord. Kindly peruse the page 12, my lord. Second para, during the course of investigation, the statement of the information as well as the victim has been recorded. The statement of the victim, 161 CRPC and 164 CRPC has been recorded. In connection with the allegation, though the victim was sent to the Dhuburi Civil Hospital for medical examination, but the victim denied to do so by writing on a requisite slip, my lord. She denied, my lord. Since this case has been registered as 376, medical report is important, my lord. Then what happened, my lord? Then the father of the GR Ali moved before this honorable court, my lord.
not this honorable court, CGM, my lord. Then it was rejected, but he has passed an issue bailable warrant with 5,000, my lord. I have come because since the case is registered 376, my lord, I may be detained if I will appear 38/3/2026. I will cooperate, my lord, since I am a working outside of the Thuburi, my lord. So I will appear, but I may be protected, my lord. I may be detained, my lord. That's why I approached before this court. That is my pair. Yes, sir. Appear about me.
Your Lordship, kindly once page 15, last portion. Now, that is the order of the trial court, my lord. Bailable warrant of arrest. Now,
Yes.
upon hearing the engaged counsel as well as on perusal of the case record, it is observed that several opportunities has been granted to the accused person for furnishing updated orders of the Honorable Gauhati High Court, because one criminal petition.
Then I have, yes,
Also,
my lord, I have an next also, but there is no
one
stay order,
under
my
the
lord.
accused
There is no
team
stay order.
has failed-
It is lying pending. A stay order, no.
Stay order is not
There, my
my
lord.
lord, probably on the pretext of that cases continuing and
No, I will appear before on 38th, my lord, but I may be protect, my lord. And I will not hampering and tampering of the investigation, my lord. I will cooperate. That is my pair.
One direction may be given.
yes.
Yes.
Part MSK David, return it not for deputy. Council by Mr. Report, return it additional PPFA on behalf of state. It's an application, section so and so, in connection with so and so. Next, is submitted by MSDB that the present accused petitioner is innocent, and with some false and concocted allegations, the FIR has been lost. But what do you explain that you have not, during investigation, you were shown as an absconder, I think. You have been shown as an absconder in the charge sheet?
No, it is not
No?
true.
Where it is?
Because that criminal petition from the
It's
observed
yes, my
criminal
lord, is
petition,
there.
there is no such mentioning about whether she is absconder, but prima facie, my lord, it seems that she is a absconder
Oh, yes, my lord,
because
it
of
is-
which he is a absconder.
because he was walking outside of Buri matter, that's why.
In that case, such
Drugs,
was
he was
well, no
working in-
stay order was there.
No stay order is there, my lord. I have annexed, my
Issued,
lord.
and probably on the pretext of
And
that
it is
penalty of the
fixed on
criminal petition, the trial
13/9,
court, they
2023.
will supposed to provide that.
No, my lord, I will appear, but I need some protection, my lord, so that I may not be detained. My lord. That is my pair, my lord. I don't want more than that.
No, I'm just not finding anything. I mean, he is shown as an absconder most probably.
Yes,
the charge
most
sheet,
probably,
because
my lord,
If
Maybe,
you go
maybe,
by the
but
charge sheet,
I have not.
if you go by the charge sheet, in the absconder column only his name is there. He's not a person in custody or bail.
yes, my lord,
So in column there, he was shown as an absconder.
absconder.
Yes.
So my question is that how you were shown as an absconder? You
No,
have,
see-
you have not cooperated with the investigation.
No, my lord, he was actually, he was working outside, my lord, outside of the, he's working in Madras, my lord. So
First of all, my lord,
they could not find
challenging
him.
that charge sheet, my lord, for passing of the FIR and charge sheet, they have approached. He has approached.
Yes,
before
yes, that is correct.
Criminal petition is pending. There is no stay order.
No stay
By-
order, and it is like.
That order only that,
in the
my
court.
lord, only CD was records of that.
Yeah,
case was
record
called,
maybe called, record
along with
was
the
called,
case diary.
but it was not
And in the
listed
trial
also,
court,
my lord.
probably they have filed a petition that we have obtained some order
Ah,
from the.
so
Yes, yes.
my
he
lord.
is there.
Yes. So they failed ultimately, while they failed to produce that order, my lord, ultimately the honorable trial court has passed this order issuing bailable warrant of.
Maybe it is correct.
But you have nowhere in your petition you have mentioned as to how or why are you aware of, you're not aware of this kind of things are not here at all. Why you have shown as an absconder, whether you are very much
Yes,
aware
my
about the
lord, I'm
case,
sorry, my lord,
these things
yes.
are not here.
It is because it is not written that I am absconder, my lord. In
No,
the
it's
Well, if you
orders,
file an application before the trial court for recalling
Yes.
of that BWA, then trial court would have definitely passed an order for. recalling.
In the meantime, I may not be arrested, detained.
So it is submitted to so and so
Okay,
that
Nelly,
solution
no.
and has not committed any such offense. And
Papa, ito na. Actually, ito yung
uh,
recalling effect.
she further submitted that during the time of incident, he was working in Chennai and hence not aware about the case registered against him. Further, he submitted that from the charge sheet itself, it is seen that the petitioner also refused to go for the informant also refused to go for medical examination, which is essential for in a case under section 376 IPC. One criminal petition has already been filed for quashing of the charge sheet and FIR, which is still pending for disposal, and the learned trial court, learned session judge had already issued. Learned CJM had already issued available warrant against the present petition, and hence he needs some protection so that he can appear and contest the case accordingly. However, contest the case accordingly. Mr. Botapu, the learned additional people submitted in this that from the order passed by the learned CGM, it reveals that on several occasions the time was free for filing stay order for the learned CGM. But there is no stay order passed by this court in connection with any criminal petition for washing. However, it is submitted by Mr. Porter that he may be directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance with. Next, hearing the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, I have also produced the case record and the annexures parallel with the petition. It is a fact that the accused petitioner was shown as an absconder in the charge, and in the same time, it also reveals that he already filed a criminal petition for quashing of the FIR as well as the charge sheet. However, considering the small submission made by an counsel for both sides, the petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered the petition and no general law and the available warrant issued against the present petitioner will be stayed or suspended for 15 days till he appears before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for. With the above observation, the present withstands. You will be protected for 15 days, appear before.
Obliged.
May I please option? Pre-arrest bail application option after at page number 8 option.
Page 8.
Yes. May I read option?
Yes.
Respectful submission is that I had been in love relationship with the above name accused number 1 for last 4 years. On 27/5/2025 at about 3:30 p.m. While I was returning back to my home from South Salmara College, the accused number 1 by inducement had taken me to a jungle at Tumni, Simla Gandhi shore and forcefully established physical relation with me. And thereafter, the local people of the village apprehended both of us and informed police persons, and the police persons took both of us to police station. Thereafter, the guardian of both of us discussed about the matter, and accused number 2 and 3. Lordship, I am here for accused number 2 and 3. The accused number 2 and 3 gave a written assurance before the OC that after a few days, my marriage will be solemnized to the accused number 1 and had taken both of us from the police station. Now almost 7 months has elapsed, but the accused number 2 and 3 did not make any effort toward the solemnization of my marriage with the accused number 1. So, Lordship, the
present petitioner are the accused number 2 and 3. Their role is confined to only the marriage partnership. Otherwise, accused number 1, he has been already granted pre-arrest bail by this honorable court. That order is page number 13. Lordship. My humble submission, Lordship, they may be protected, Lordship. Page 13 is the order whereby the accused number 1 has been granted here.
Yes, Potter.
Yes, otherwise, my lord, 1 was already granted bail by your lordship after perusal of the CD, my lord. Regarding 2 and 3, my lord, although only, my lord, later on initially they promised to, my lord, marry the victim girl, but later on they refused and tried to settle the marriage of accused number 1 with someone other.
Lordship, even on the day of the lodging the affair, the accused number 1 on the earlier occasion I have submitted, he had not completed even the 21 years of age, Lordship, for the purpose of marriage. It is
Mr. Richard Delaney, counsel for the petition. Also, Mr. B. Potter, Delaney, the PP, citrus section 20. Next, considering the submission made by Mr. Ahmed and the statement made in the file, this court of its opinion that the interim petition may be provided to both the accused petition number 1 and 2 till receipt of case time. Mr. Potter, Delaney, the additional PP, however, submitted that CD may be called for to know the actual factor. Okay, will be under interim petition.
problem.
On my lord, May 6th of May, 6th.
Obvious.
Right, please, your lord. So the FIR is at page 13, my lord. It's a PS bail application, my lord. Particular is at page 13, my lord.
Yes.
Yes, but in this case, my lord, a sudden quarrel took place in a market, my lord, because of parking of a car, my lord. The informant's nephew, son-in-law, Bhotija Joai, my lord, Bhotija Joai, he went to the market and he parked a car in front of a particular shop, my lord. Then he told him not to park here, you go there, some other places. Then he refused and started arguing with him. Then other shopkeepers also came, my lord. And he used some filthy language because of that, my lord. But accused number 1, my lord. He is not a petitioner before a lordship, my lord. He suddenly took a dhow from his shop, my lord, because there's the shop, my lord. He took that dhow and he just hit the son. Son also came to save this son-in-law, my lord. Informant's son also was there, my lord. He came to save his son-in-law. Then this person, my lord, who is not before your lordship, he hit him with a dhow, my lord, on the head. But it appears that this injury is not very grievous because it is nowhere it is said that he was taken to hospital or anything is there, my lord. And there is no allegation against us, my lord, that we were armed or we did anything. No specific allegation against us, my lord. And even this informant here says that he was also injured in his hand, my lord. But on the same day FIR was lodged, he put his signature, my lord. And these people are, my lord, all are shopkeepers there, my lord. It's a market area, my lord. So they supported that shopkeeper who was against this son-in-law, my lord. Only because of that, this quarrel took place. This is not a pre-planned and nothing, and we are not at all armed, my lord. This is not there, my lord. We are armed and all these things, my lord. We supported a shopkeeper. There is our names are here, my lord. Otherwise, there is no, and one senior citizen also implicated, my lord. Petitioner number 4, my lord. He is a senior citizen. His name is also there, my lord. And we will cooperate with the investigation authority, we will be protected, my lord. Because accused number 1, he is the main, his name, my lord, that he has hit the dhow blow, my lord. He is not before your lordship, my lord. That's why he mentioned car, Garikhon Rokhai, my lord. That he mentioned car is there, my lord, because that is the only issue, my lord. Otherwise, he would not have mentioned the car also, my lord. The car is the main reason, my lord.
Yes, Potter.
Yes, but otherwise, my lord, yes, a specific allegation against accused number 1.
Yes, my lord.
But the whole accused persons, my lord, regarding that initially started regarding cause given son-in-law, beating the accused persons tried to kill us last.
We were not at all armed, my lord. We had any intention to do anything like that, my lord.
Specifically against
1, my lord. He is not before your lordship, my lord.
Pardon, Mr. Delaney, counsel for the petition. and also heard Mr. P. Portable Ilan and additional PP appearing on top of state response. It's an application, section so and so, information so and so. Goes from its parent, Mr. Mukhtar Ilan and counsel for the petitioner submitted in this report that there was a simple quarrel and altercation. A scuffle took place between two groups when only for a parking of a vehicle in front of the shop of the informant. However, uh, when the accused petitioners raised their voice in support of the shopkeeper, some false and concocted allegations have been brought against them and FIR has been lodged. However, in the FIR, only the name of the accused number 1 has been mentioned, with the wherein it has been wherein it is stated that he gave a down blow to the head of the son of the informant who sustained previous injuries. However, all these petitioners are ready and willing to extend their cooperation in the further investigation of this case if they are granted with some interim protection. Next, Mr. Botakud Ilani, the additional PP, submitted that though the allegation is specifically brought against the accused number 1, but in the FI it is seen that all the accused persons were tried to assault and kill his son of the informant. However, he submitted that accordingly he submitted that CD will be required. Next, hearing this submission made by Lani counsel for both sides, considering the statement made in the and other aspects of the case. This court is of opinion that interim protection can be provided to the petition till receipt of case. Okay, you'll be under interim protection, appear before the IM and
On 5th of May, ma'am. 5th of May, ma'am.
5th of
Deeply okay.
May period. But on 13/3 an FIR was filed against two accused, Hirokjuti Kuch and Rajani Kuch. Lordship would find the FIR at page 10 regarding theft of some cables from a company where he was working. I am not named in the FIR. With due respect, I beg to state that I am a worker of Pace Tech Digital Private Limited under BSNL, and I am working as technician. And I have to come to learn from reliable sources that on 12/3/2026, the Romuya police conducted a search at the residence of Hirokjuti Koch and seized several items used in mobile towers, namely earthing cables, RS power cables, battery terminal cables, which are subsequently brought to the police station. It is we mentioned that Hirokjuti Koch has been a contractual employee for BTS installation under BSNL. And since then, he has been involved in illegal activities and has been delivering undue benefits. It has also come to light that he also, with other associates, have been involved in theft of batteries and other equipments used in mobile towers and selling the same in black market. In this regard, FIR has been reportedly already have been registered against him in various police stations in Arunachal Pradesh, and presently I have seized the seized items from the police station and verified these items are used in mobile towers. Now I have come to know that in this meeting, Rajani Kos has been helping his father, Hirokjuti Kos, along with other co-accused. Lordship, that is the allegation. Now at page 17, the theft item has been seized. This is the seizure list. Now I am Ankur Kuch. I am nowhere in the scene. What has happened? This I am apprehending arrest because in the 10 to 15 boys of nearby locality has been called by the police station, and they now it carries 317(4), which carries a punishment of 10 years. Therefore, in this connection, I am apprehending arrest, and the FIR also uses the word Sahajugi, other accused, along with other accused. Therefore, I am apprehending arrest. Otherwise, I am nowhere there. Now, the stolen property has been recovered. Interestingly, Lordship, I have gone through the section of 317. A stolen property, as per the new BNS, a stolen property, if it is seized and brought into the legal possession of the person who is legally entitled to possession, then it ceases to be a stolen property as per 370. Therefore, in that case also, it is, since it is seized and brought to the legal position of that person, now it ceases to be a stolen property. I am not on that. I am nowhere involved in this. I am not named in the FIR.
It is to be stolen property. but
Yes,
where
sir.
the offense will go.
Yes, but I am not on that. No, I am nowhere in the scene, Lord. Just because I've been called and it carries a punishment of the 10 year section carrying a punishment of 10 years, I am before this court, Lord. Otherwise, nothing is against me in this affair.
So who are you?
I am Ankur Kos. I am a boy of the locality, Lord. They are not only me, they are calling around 10 to 15 boys from the nearby locality. I have been also called, Lordship, police also has visited all neighborhood areas, including my house. Therefore, I am apprehending arrest. There is no FIR against me anywhere.
Your lordship may kindly come to.
And the things have been already seized, Lordship. Nothing is there.
Your lordship, before coming to the FIR, your lordship may kindly come to page 4 of his petition, my lord. Who is he, the present petitioner, my lord? Regarding the articles related to tower, my lord. There the petitioner respectfully submit that the petitioner is no way connected with the alleged recovery of the seized item and the same way found in possession of the petitioner's father, who is engaged in contractual work relating to installation of BTS tower. So, my lord, he is the son of
Your
that.
No.
no means
My father's name is Jibakanto. It is found in the possession of Hirok Jyoti. Hirok Jyoti and Rajani. Yes.
Your statement, you made this statement only. The same
Maybe
statement is made by
some.
And here, my lord,
It is a mistake. I've been told. I am sorry for that. But the FIR transpires is Hirok Jyoti and Rajanikanto is the father and son. And admittedly, as per the FIR, that third line, at the residence of Hirok Jyoti and sees several items used in mobile towers. Therefore, it is seized from Hirok Jyoti's residence.
he
So
seems to
he-
be son of Jivokanta.
yes, Jibo
I am son of Jibo.
maybe somehow he is related to his father is related to it contractual work. May not
But
be
I am not nowhere there.
Because-
Just because I am not so literate and I've been called to the police station, I am somewhere afraid.
So, my lord, so if my lord he is nowhere related,
I-
then there is no apprehension. Well, otherwise, my lord, it is specifically stated that Hirokjuti Rajani Kos has been helping his father Hirokjuti Kos along with other co-accused persons. So, some of
Therefore,
these
I'll make my statement.
those are valuable items of my lord mobile tower.
Yes.
So, my lord, otherwise, how he is involved, only CD will reveal. If my lord she says that he is no way connected, then there is no apprehension. He can go to the police station, my lord, and tell that.
Yes,
to the
Lordship.
police. If there is,
Just I want that protection that
So
I should
there
not be
is-
detained in
so-
connection with this
so
case.
there is no requirement of filing a AB, my lord. While there is no apprehension, my lord, the AB is not maintainable.
No,
Otherwise,
police is visiting our places. Therefore, I am apprehending.
Otherwise,
Therefore, Lordship, I'll go to the police station, make my statements, cooperate with the police. Lordship. That is my prayer.
PP board. PP board.
many other cases also registered in Arunachal Pradesh regarding those stolen.
Against
still-
Hirok Jyoti.
PP board. PP. And the allegation of against one hero. Hero. He seized from the person of said hero. And this is a scissors. which reveals from decisions. However, the police person in the entire locality is asking some local boss to appear before the police station in the name of investigation. The present petitioner is also asked to appear before the police station, and for which he has the apprehension for arrest and interim. He prayed for and hence he prayed for an interim protection so that he can active and cooperate in the investigation process. This report that he feels correlated with the case. In the case, there cannot be any apprehension of arrest, and he can appear before the IO and can cooperate in the investigation process. The submission made by counsel. Okay, you will be under interim protection. Appear before the IO. Extend your cooperation in the investigation.
Deeply obliged.
On 5th of May.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is an anticipatory bail application. Lordship, Lordship will find the FIR at page number 11 and the vernacular at page number 17. Lordship, the basic allegation against me is this, that when the complainant went to call the went to attend the call of nature at the on the fateful day of 2026 at 3:30 a.m. in the morning, Lordship, I had entered the bathroom and I had tried to molest her. And Lordship, when she screamed, I fled the scene. So this is the allegation in the FIR, Lordship. Lordship, however, this is not the case. Lordship, Lordship, the complainant and the accused, Lordship, they were in a romantic relationship from a very long time, Lordship. And Lordship, I admit that I have done a moral wrong. I should not have been in a relationship with a married lady. But Lordship, the allegations in the FIR is false, Lordship. Lordship, I'm a government servant. I work in CRPF, Lordship. Lordship, what I'm praying is this, that Lordship, my part of the story should also be heard. I will satisfy the investigating officer with the materials that on that fateful night, I was called by the complainant, and Lordship, we were in a romantic relationship, Lordship. Till that time, Lordship, I am praying, humbly praying for some protection, Lordship. I will satisfy the investigating officer that it was the complainant who had called me, and Lordship, and it was the allegation that has been alleged in the FIR is not correct.
Well, this is not first time, my lord. Earlier also, my lord, she stated that earlier also she is
Lordship,
involved
this
in
is not
attempting
correct, Lordship.
same type of offense.
Lordship-
Being a CRPF personnel, my lord, there is, my lord, possibility. that-
Lordship, I'm a neighbor, Lordship. I'm a neighbor,
Yeah.
Lordship. And Lordship, the thing is this, Lordship, that the family members of the complainant, they have forced her to file this FIR, Lordship. And there is a delay of filing the FIR, Lordship. Lordship, I will satisfy the IO, Lordship. I have some materials with me, Lordship, which it didn't feel like feel appropriate to annex here, Lordship.
Earlier also any cases pending against
No, Lordship. No, Lordship. This is
such female related cases?
no,
Women
Lordship.
related
No,
cases?
I'm categorically stating again, Lordship. I was in a extramarital affair with this lady, Lordship. This is a moral wrong, I admit, which I should not have done, but Lordship, I humbly am praying that I may be allowed to uh, state my part of the story before the IO, Lordship. If the IO is not satisfied, Lordship can revoke the interim protection.
So, Mr. Mehdi,
Lordship, made it.
parts PP may be done from given at this here. Subject may be given in is further submitted. It is a wrong that he had some relationship with a lady. he is read and this is co-operation in further investigation. But it report is the person that earlier occasion also we had such nature of offense in the same report for recording against all but hearings. Yeah, yeah. Okay, you'll be under interim.
Lordship, I'm obliged, Lordship.
Yes, bottom 455.
On 6th of May.
I'm deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes, please, Your Lordship. Lordship has already granted bail to other co-accused on 23/2026.
This is
Well,
regarding, my lord, the accused person initially caught by a group of persons that suspecting him as a cattle theft. He is involved in cattle theft, my lord. Later on, they all brutally assaulted and ultimately he died, my lord. That case, my lord.
I'm behind the bar for 55 days, Lordship, and I am aged about 76 years.
The person died.
Yes, ultimately, my lord, he died on.
Other arrested persons were granted bail by Your Lordship.
That day I pointed out to your lordship regarding one other aspect of the matter, but later on they have, my lord, some of the witnesses recorded by the police. Although, my lord, there are materials that these accused persons are involved in assaulting the, my lord, victim ultimately who's caused death of the accused person. But, my lord, at later stages, my lord, on that day I pointed out to your lordship some of the statements collected.
I'm only on the rank of detention, Lord.
Regarding these persons, there are statement of the eyewitnesses that these persons are involved and they are involved in assaulting the, my lord.
Should I kindly peruse the paragraph 5 of Your Lordship's order?
His present petitioner's name is? Your name is?
Faguninath. Faguna.
How many petitions are here?
One, only one.
Faguna Nath, my lord, otherwise statement of witnesses is there. Faguna Nath, my lord, regarding all witnesses stated about Faguna Nath. He was he is the person initially caught.
Lordship, on the motion day itself, Lordship was pleased to allow 11
Yes,
persons.
Other accused persons, my lord.
Paragraph 5 of Your Lordship's order.
Your statement, Mr. Bottom, one statement of one of the witness, is that by what?
Later on, the otherwise investigation was earlier conducted by the IO. My lord, later some of the statement of witness, they all implicated the accused person. But during later part of the investigation, that is first flag mark, my lord, IO collected some of the statement of the family members of the that is, my lord, victims.
So why it has been stated that
Yes,
he
my lord, I
tried
do
to
not.
commit suicide?
Yes, I do not know why right now they have stated, my lord. Maybe some other reasons I do not know about it. But otherwise, there are materials against all these accused.
I'll face the trial considering the length of detention and my age, lordship.
And your petitioner's name is?
Hanan Chandranath.
Huh?
Lordship, Hanan Chandranath. Arrested on the same.
Hanan.
Hanan. Hanan Chandranath.
Hanan Chandra.
Hanan Nath. It's in forwarding report. It is Hanan Nath. It is on 14, Lordship. 14 number, page 16 of my petition. His name is given as Hanan Nath.
Bhaguna's name is there. His Hanan said.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioner number 2.
Dhanan Kumar Nath, my lord, there is no such, my lord. I do not find any such, my lord, statement by the witnesses. Regarding Phaguna Nath, my lord, this witnesses stated, my lord.
Again, in one, you have check mark one thing. For one of the witnesses stated that he tried to commit suicide.
Yes, my
And in the
that is later on, my lord, during family member, because initially from 26/1, my lord, incident 26/1, 2026 one missing report was there, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, missing report dated 27/1/26 that he was missing from 26/1/26. Thereafter, my lord, this incident occurred on 30/1/26. Later on, my lord, he came to know that while some of the person of that village, my lord, captured, my lord, caught hold of one of the, that is victim deceased, my lord, and thereafter they brutally assaulted. And later on that, my lord, during, my lord, during treatment, he died on 31/1/26. Thereafter, this FIR laws, my lord, on 31.
But yes, but the now only question is that one Madhav Bandal's statement is there he tried to commit suicide.
Yes, my lord, why
And in
they
the
have
office-
at
in the
later
office
part
note-
of the investigation, those are,
No, in the office not also
yes,
one some Ananda
that
Mandal
office
will
note
have
is
some-
after taking of the statement of the, my lord, these two witnesses probably. That note is after taking statement of these two witnesses.
Any order for your petitioner got arrested when?
Arrested on
18/2.
31/1/26.
Oh, 30.
Today is 55 days, lordship.
But are not even but he bought done it on an application when they did submitted Mr. It affected their result quarrel took place and there was a scuffle between two groups when a person was caught with a charge with the allegation with the allegation as a allegation as a with an allegation that he is a Catholic. Many persons gathered here in this safe place, but and some of the persons assaulted. the victim, but petitioner not solved it. Victim. However, the fact that he was also present. If I discovered that the some people already granted bail, considering their contribution and the case considering and the case of the petitioner also under the same footing, considering his case, considering his case and the and he may also be allowed to go on bail, considering his case on the same footing along with the accused person of outlined in and the accused petition was arrested in connection with this case on 101 and till date he is being debarred since last 55 days. Considering his identity, he may be released. He will appear for the cooperation with the support the there are many persons presence at the place of offense, but makes most of the witnesses has uttered the name of the present petition who is involved in this offense. Accordingly, he submitted that it may be a case to release the accused person bail at this stage. Hearing submission by is that the considering the witness is progress of the investigation vis-a-vis the bank of detention already and that may not be needed. Our number two is negative for whatever. So, submitted though the specific allegation against the petitioner is not brought by the witnesses, but it is the fact that the many persons gathered in the place wherein the present petitioner is also in. To whose satisfaction this is?
TGM Kopraja.
You also grant.
Deployment.
Same submission, anything else? Any other submission you want to make?
No. CD was called for, my lord. It was not received, my lord. Just
Petitioners are entering here. Hello.
allowed
40.
40-20.
You are on interim?
Interim.
City not receive. Should remind you. Interim be continued till next day. Yes, Sharma, when it
My lord. Borpeta, my lord. That is my lord 27th, my lord.
27/4.
My lord.
Okay, we're extending your interim till next day. What is the position of 15?
In also, my lord. 15, my lord. Scan copy not received, my lord.
My
Scan
lord.
copy.
15.
Scan
I'm
copy
supposed to file the additional affidavit, my lord. Already I have submitted.
You have already filed?
Yes. And here is a copy.
No, we have received it. Yeah, already it has come. It has come on. Now, what do you want to bring with the additional?
No, here I just want, since someone has not been, I have not received the summon, though the summon has been sent by, issued by the Chief Judicial Magistrate Lakhimpur. So now here I am apprehending that there is a non-bailable section is there. Once I appear, that means I may be arrested. Therefore, I have come to this court for the protection, my lord. So that is the.
Mr. Sharma, you have not received this scan.
My lord, scan copy was fault for my lord. And service, oh no, my lord, scan copy not received.
Where from it has to come?
Lakhimpur.
Lakhimpur.
My
Then when it can be expected, short date, even if by next week. I think. Next week will come.
time.
Next week probability is there to come.
It will come for registry, madam. Then
No, obviously.
Might,
I'm
might,
asking
might,
whether
might.
probability I haven't.
it's a matrimonial dispute. 6 or 7, madam.
We are giving on very short date. We'll try to give on 2nd of this
Fine,
April.
my lord.
Can
Give me a
copy of the decide or receive. To remind PhD will do the PhD back accordingly. 2-4. Okay. One more item.
Oh, no, someone compassion. Additional.
Please, Lord. What's the matter? Maybe at the last for timing, my senior is
Oh, I
leg
have
in
almost my
Last
list is
matter.
over.
Please, Mr. Yasnaus will argue the matter.
Huh?
Mr. Yasnaus will argue the matter.
Item number
11.
11.
You are for the respondent. You are for the
My lord, no, I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
you are for the petition.
Petitioner, my lord.
Who is respondent?
In fact, on the last occasion also, your lordship, they were not present. So matter was
Oh,
adjourned, my lord.
acha.
NI case, my lord, there was concurrent finding.
The last occasion. Yes, what to do? Can it be heard or I don't
Cannot be heard in their absence. It's a complaint case, my lord. After Bihu, my lord, if they don't come, then amicus will have to be appointed.
that case. We have seen Mr. Hawk, name of Mr. M. Hawk is there.
It's there, my lord, it's there. In fact, on the last occasion, this matter got listed because they gave an application to the registry. That is there in the record as said.
Oh,
Now they
that's
are
why it is registered.
Yes.
I mean listed.
listed, man. But they have not.
Is any interim is operating? No.
The sentence has already been suspended, man.
Oh, already been. Oh, so it's a criminal division.
Criminal division, man.
But you already. Hard is to done. But plan represented the response. It reveals from the record on the last occasion also. No one is represented. Against let the matter be listed. When you want
After Bihu, my lord, any
24th of April.
first week of May, my lord, some 24, lot of cases have been. 6 of May.
6th of
MD 11. In item 15, my lord, the earlier occasion PCR not called for.
not call
Not called for, my lord. Only they have paid for filing an additional application.
this year call for query. Huh? Issue reminder of colony call this year be called for is
Right.
will do.
Right.
Okay. Yes, what is 11?
My lord, item 19 is, my lord, regarding to DBF, my lord. Here LCR was
You
called
are
for.
19.
LCR also not received and service report also awaited.
Your lordship, the husband and wife have come to compromise.
Matter has already been compromised.
Not yet.
As per the instruction of my senior, we may be allowed to withdraw this case. The husband and wife have come to a compromise.
Matter has already been. Your good name is?
L. Thakur appearing on behalf of A.K. Das.
You have received the instructions, na?
Yes, the senior.
Please.
Because her name is
Our name is not here and also from the instruction from the senior. Whether it is
instructions of senior and instructions from our client,
Client.
A bit different thing.
No, from the client itself, but my senior told me to withdraw this case as they have come to compromise.
What can be done?
my lord, our statement may be, my lord, that may be our submission may be recorded.
And it was released to the domestic DV Act, my lord.
You don't have much to say.
My lord.
Respondent is the wife, Itima, and the person filed is Sanjeev Pathak, PhD informant.
Aye.
It is a case of DV, na?
DV, my
So, okay, then if the husband wants to withdraw, then but that is the issue. Anyway, you are saying what is your name?
L. Thakur appearing on behalf of A.K. Das.
I can Mr. A.K. Das and also Mr. Bisha. Learned additional appearing on behalf of. It is submitted to Mr. for client. She wants to withdraw the same as the matter has already been compromised between the parties outside it. And hence the petitioner does not want to raise the petition. Considering this submission made by Mr. The present petition is accordingly disposed of on disposed. But I we always welcome to compromise, but instruction should be proper. That's what I'm just asking. If it is already compromised, good on.
lord.